Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do a PUBG battery and test between the Realme 6 device versus the Realme X2 phone. So in this video, I'll be using with the conditions like Wi-Fi connection and 100% brightness and with the smooth and ultra settings. So if you want to know smooth and extreme battery life test, there's a PUBG battery and playlist as well. So in the PUBG battery and test playlist, so you can find plenty of smooth and extreme videos, so which will be very helpful for you all in case if you want to know the battery life of other smartphones. So do check out the PUBG battery and test playlist. So in this video, as I said, I'll be choosing it 100% and smooth and ultra and Wi-Fi connection. So I'll be recording the time for every 2 hours, 2 hours, 4 hours and 6 hours. So we'll get to know which phone will last longer. And the Realme 6 has the 4300 mAh of capacity, whereas the Realme X2 has the 4000 mAh of capacity. So let's check, friends, which phone will last much more longer. So on the paper, the Realme 6 looks pretty good, but the Realme 6 has the MediaTek processor, whereas the Realme X2 has the Snapdragon processor. So let me show you exactly the brightness I'm using. As you can see here, I'm using with the full 100% brightness, and I disable the auto brightness as well. So in case the brightness might increase or decrease later on. So I disable the auto brightness and let me go to the graphics settings. As you can see, smooth and ultra is selected, and let me go here, smooth and ultra. So right now both the phones are at smooth and ultra settings. So definitely, friends, if you want to know what equalizer I'm using here, so don't forget to check out the playlist for the Android applications. So in the Android applications, you can find the link for this application which has a very good equalizer. So let's get started with this kind of test. So let me disconnect the charger and let me start the stopwatch. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, because it takes a lot of time and effort in making this kind of long and lengthy videos. So because of PUBG battery and test, usually I do during the weekends because of time. So only during the weekends I am pretty much available to spend this kind of long hours continuously in doing the PUBG battery and test. So same kind of PUBG battery and test I did with other smartphones as well. So Honor 9X Pro versus Redmi Note 9 Pro. So if you are interested, stay tuned by subscribing, and also do check the PUBG battery and test playlist as well. So that will be very helpful if you want to know more details about the battery drain. And one more thing I forgot to mention is that in the Realme 6 there is a 90Hz display option as well. So let me change it to the 60Hz refresh rate. So even that also counts a little bit of battery. So as you can see right now, the 60Hz is selected, and with the 100% brightness and with the Wi-Fi connection and with the smooth and ultra settings. And both are having the same this kind of game space, so which has the FPS meter real time. So you can see the real time FPS meter, and the Realme 6 FPS meter doesn't work sometimes. So this is a problem from the beginning of using the phone, Realme 6. So as you can see, the FPS is not displaying exact meter right now. So this is one of the bug which has in the Realme 6 phone. So maybe with the next update it should get fixed. So again, I'll be back after 2 hours of continuously playing the PUBG game in both the phones. So we'll get to know which phone will last much longer while playing the PUBG game with the smooth and ultra with 100% brightness. So as you can see, friends, it's been 2 hours of continuously playing the PUBG game in Realme 6 and Realme X2 phone. So let's check the battery percent, how much it is. So right now in the Realme 6 phone, you can find here 61%. So 61% in the Realme 6 phone, and the Realme X2 phone. So let's check how much percentage. So 52%. So as you can see clearly, 52%. So there is a difference of 9% between both the phones. So as you can see, so the Realme 6 has 4300 mAh capacity, that is slightly larger than the Realme X2 phone. So consider that the 9% difference between both the phones, it's pretty much okay. So again, I'll be back after 2 more hours. So let's check in the 4 hours how much the battery will be dropped in both the phones. So as you can see here, friends, exactly it's close to 4 hours, 3 hours and 50 minutes, and finally the battery decreased to 2% in the Realme X2 phone just now. So as you can see right now the battery is pretty close to dead to 2%, as you can see clearly in the Realme X2 phone. So let me write on the Realme X2 timing. So overall 4 hours you can play in the Realme X2 phone with the full brightness, and in the Realme 6 device the battery percent is of 18%. So as you can see clearly, so 18% in the Realme 6 phone. So again I'll be back once the phone battery gets close to 2%, so we'll get to know exactly how many hours you can play in the Realme 6 phone. So as you can see friends, it's been 4 hours and 30 minutes, and finally the Realme 6 phone also lost the battery to 2%. So finally these are the statistics which we can conclude by comparing both the phones. So Realme 6 versus the Realme X2 phone. So it is the Realme X2, so which is also I think close to 1%. So as you can see friends, so these are the overall statistics. So Realme X2 has got 2% at 4 hours, and Realme 6 lasted about 30 minutes extra. As you can see, this with the full brightness. So that's it for this video friends. For more videos, do subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru. So don't forget to check the links in description for the PUBG padded and playlist. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.